Hi everyone, very good morning. Today our topic is JMeter, how to record API request in Postman tool. Okay, this is our topic and mainly there are three steps. First one is how to create recording test plan, how to set proxy, both system, one is system level and uh, Postman tool level. Okay, both how to record API request. Okay, uh, JMeter, JMeter to Postman. Okay, these are the three steps. Today I will show you. First of all, I need to open my JMeter. Step by step, I need to complete that one. Okay, I will go to my JMeter. I will open it. Okay, okay. What type of request I need to capture that API request, right? The methods is API request methods. Okay, I have taken only four methods only. One is get request, post request, post request. Fourth one is delete request. Okay, these are four requests only. Now I will show you. Okay, in JMeter, first one, how to create recording test plan, right? There are two ways, guys. First one, whenever you required directly without creating any test plan, right, just you can go to the templates. Okay, you know, right, this one templates, you can go and check which template you required. And my last videos I am already showing your own template also. You need to mention, right? You can see web tool application test plan, I created this one. Okay, otherwise recording, which what type of template you require, yeah, you can take it. Okay, just click on, you can select it and create it. You can see select and you can create, right? Automatically it's created. That is the one way. Otherwise you can create manually. Okay, now I am creating, it's a manually only. Under test plan, I add the config elements, http cookie manager, um, http cache manager. After I will add the thread group. Under thread group, I will go to logic controller, copy to the, I will copy to the transaction controller only. Total four methods, right? You can see four methods. After I will add the view results tree. Yeah. Okay, now go to the test plan. You need to add the non-test element http test script recorder. Okay, now it's coming, right? Just you can rename it everything. JMeter API request. Okay, get request, post request, put request, last one it's delete, delete, delete request. Okay, these four methods and the HTTP test script recorder, right? I will given to the port is 8080. Okay, and this is not for the application, right? This is API. That reason it's not required. You no need to add the suggested expose, that type of one. It's not required. Okay, whenever you need to recording, right, you can select to the which one you required. Now I required to the test plan JMeter API request thread group get request. Okay, I will select it. Okay, now the test plan it's created. Now I need to save this one. This one not Postman. JMeter API request. Okay, now we have saved. Okay, you can see in first step you completed the how to create a recording test plan. First one it's done. Now you need to set up to the proxy system level and postman level. Okay, first one in JMeter tool, right, you can set up to the port is 8080. Domain I did not give it anything, and I am already target to the get request. Okay, 8080, right, you can see it's not required anything. Okay, the port is 8080. Now you need to go to the first in system level. Okay, window 10 computers, right, you can go to directly proxy settings. Okay, in process settings you can see automatically detect settings, right, you can go to below manual proxy setup, use a proxy server, just you can enable it. You can see address is http colon double backward slash localhost. Okay, port is 8080. You can see in JMeter also same port 8080. Port is very important, you need to keep on check that one 8080, right. Now we need to click on save. Okay, you can close it this one. And now also you need to open one more time process. The reason in window computers, right, whenever you've done all the changes you can close and reopen, right, everything is disabled previous old settings only. That reason you need to check. Now process server everything it's enabled. Okay, now no issue, you can just minimize it, that is enough. Second one. Okay, now system level completed. Postman level I need. You can go to the postman tool. Okay, this is the postman for latest 2023. Okay, now you need to go to the settings. You can see this is the icon, guys. Settings old version also it's same only, there is no any difference. I'm already checked that version also. Settings, click on settings. Okay, you can see this settings icon will open, right. There are two options you need to enable. First one, in your original application in companies, right, you need to try to request to the recorded any API request to through JMeter tool. That type of scenario time you are not able to record anything. That time you need to add the not only proxy, you need to add the certificate also. You can see there is a certificate icon, right, you can see CA certificates. The file should consist of one or more trusted certificates in PME format. Okay, after client certificates, add and manage SSL certificates on per domain basis. Okay, you need to add the JMeter root CA certificate. Okay, where it's available, right? You can see this is the Apache JMeter temporary root CA certificate. This certificate you need to add. Maybe this certificate is anything expire. I'm already mentioned my old videos. Once will be expire, how we need to regenerate the temporary root CA certificate, you can check, and you need to delete and you need to regenerate the certificate, and you need to add it. Okay, first one you can add it. Okay, you can see it's already available, right? The icon also add the add certificate. Okay, based on the format you need to give, and you need to add the certificate. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, once certificate will be added, right after, you can go to the process. Certificate is very important. Okay, based on server authentications, and you need to give the username and password also. But our just how we need to record the JMeter to through proxy level in Postman API requested, that point of view it's not required. It's a local computers, right? Local host only, that reason it's not required. But whenever you need to log into the in server level, you need to capture the request, right? That time it's must and should, you need to add the certificate also. Okay, it's the same how JMeter root CA certificate you need to add it, right? Remaining browsers, remaining stuff, same way only, just you can add it and you can add them, that's all, there is nothing else. Okay, you need to provide the host files. Okay, and you need to add the certificates, that's all, there is nothing else. That reason I'm not showing anything. Okay, second one you need to add the, you can go to the proxy. You can see default proxy configuration. Okay, this proxy require authentication. Okay, whenever you new in your application anything specific authentications available, right, in company applications, that time you need to select this option. Okay, another one proxy configuration for sending request, this is our it is important for me. Okay, you can enable to the use the system proxy, you can enable it. Add a custom proxy configuration, you can see proxy type HTTP HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS also it's a Postman will be provided the capturing the request, there is no any issue. Okay, and JMeter also same proxy type HTTP HTTPS. Proxy server, right, HTTP colon double backward slash localhost, and port is 8080. Okay, proxy authentication type now it's off, in original application it's required, that one also you need to capture. Okay, now this settings also will done, right, you can close it. Okay, now it's everything, it's completed. Second step, Postman level also added. How to record API request in JMeter through Postman. Okay, first of all you need to check the request everything able to working or not. Okay, first one you can see I have created 4 requests: get method, post, put, and delete. Okay, just I need to run one time and I need to check everything is working fine or not. First one, get method. Oh sorry, just a minute. This one it's already configured, right? That reason you are not able to run. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, now I need to start the recording. Okay, one by one I will show you. Okay, yeah, now I am already selected test plan JMeter API request thread group get request, right? This get request only need to capture the request, you can start them. Yeah, now it start recording, right? You can go to the same Postman. You can see it's showing error, tunneling socket could not be established, cause connection encountered something. 8080 port on 127.0.0.1 means it's the local host, 8080 port number. Okay, now you can see in get method I will select the get method only, and this is the request I will give in get method. Okay, now you need to run this one. whenever you run this, right, this request will be sended. Means JMeter in performance point of view, right, you know, everyone, request and response only it's captured, remaining nothing. Okay, yeah, you can see get method I will given this request, right, this is the output body of the data, this is the output you will given to the server. Okay, and you can see status is 200. Okay, and how much time will be taken and size of the bytes. Okay, now it's working. You can go to the JMeter is working or not. You can see it's captured the request. Okay, okay, first one is done. Go to second one. Now post request. Okay, this is the post method. In post request I will given to the request and response that this is the URL, method is post, and this is the body of the data I will given. It's a sample. Okay, now you need to run and you need to validate this one also. Now it's running this one. You can see now it's done. Okay, post request, right, status 201 created. Okay, status 201 created, time 802 milliseconds, size 701 bytes. Okay, now you can go to the JMeter, you need to see able to request. Yeah, it's captured that one also. Now go to the put method, put request. Go to Postman, this is the put request. Okay, I'm already provided the body of the data also. Okay, now I need to send this one. Yeah, it's now it's done this one also. Okay, now you can see status 200, time 810 milliseconds, size 723 bytes. Okay, okay, now you need to go to JMeter, you can see put request also it recorded. Now it's a last one. Delete method I will given only this, only URL only I will provide it. You can see it's only one time only need to execute it. Sending the request, you can see status 204 no content, means it deleted, right, it's no content, no content, time 1242 milliseconds, size 609 bytes. Okay, now it's completed. Okay, what are the request I created, right, one is get request, the server, what are the based on the sending the request server, what are the data will be given, right, that one only need to display to the get method. Post means it's the creating the method, means something you need to based based on the URL and post of the body data it will create it. Put method it updated, and delete is directly with deleted. Okay, these are the four methods I created to the in Postman tool. Now it's completed that one. Okay, all the requests are captured. You can see, just a minute, it's something. Oh no, it's a mistake. Just a minute, I'm not changed that one. Delete. Okay, I will run one more time. Delete one. Yeah, it's done. Now you need to go to the JMeter. Yeah, it's also created. Okay, no problem. Okay, now everything is recorded, right? Now you can stop and remove to the all the process. Everything you need to disable. Can Postman also. 1 minute. And go to the process. You can disable them. This one also. Okay. Okay. Okay, now everything is recorded, right? Okay, not only you need to use to the transaction controller, you can use the recording controller also. You need to use and you need to record them. Okay, I need the separate request, that reason. Okay, you can see it directly deleting the method. Okay, I will disable it. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see every HTTP header manager also it's recorded. Okay, now everything is recorded, guys. You can see get, post, put, delete. In get method, you can go to the method also get, and what are the details you required, right? It directly recorded. You no need to create anything. Any application, this is the way. Whenever it's required Postman tool, right, you need to capture it. Post method, and this is the data. Okay, put method, this is the data, and delete also, this is the data. Okay. Oh, why I need to showing this one, how we need to recording the other tools to, you need to record the script to in your application, right? Not only web application, you can go to desktop or cloud based applications, and mobile applications also one of the most important. Okay, whenever any other applications it's already developed and already it's created, everything it's available, right? You no need to create one more time. Okay, it's a very sample application, you able to create very easily. Okay, any very high complexity application, right, that is big problem. Okay, that time you can directly recording to that tool to your JMeter, right? It's a very easily you need to do it that one. Okay, that reason I will show you. Just one or two times you can practice it, right? You also very easily need to record in this one. Now you need to check this one able to working or not. Okay, first one is the get method. Okay, response code 200, post 200, put 200, delete also 200. Okay, now everything is successfully it's working. Okay, this is the way you need to capture the request or recording the request through JMeter tool user to other tools. You need to capture the request. Okay, it's very simple. Not only browsers, not only applications, other tools also you able to capture the request. Okay, in same get, post, put, delete method only. In performance testers, most of the time you need to use the Postman. Postman also you able to generate the payload. Okay, sometimes this one also it's a very useful tool. I am already working this one. And soap UI also. Okay, my next video I will provided how you need to record the same get, post, put, delete methods in API request, how to capture the through Postman. Okay, my next video I will provided that one. Okay, now maybe you need to understand this video. Okay, what is the use? Okay, maybe the scenario you need to come to your way or not, I'm not sure. But whenever you need to came, right, you can easily need to recording this way. Okay, not only API request also, you can easily need to record other tools to your JMeter tool, and you need to run it. Okay, most of the time it's a time saving process, and it's a tool only it's captured, right? Without any issue it's captured. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will provide in my another video. I will provide it to the how to capture to the soap UI request also, means soap UI tool to how we need to request to the JMeter. Okay, that one I will provide. Okay, now this topic also it's completed, how to record API request JMeter to Postman. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will provide in my next video. I will connect with you everyone. Thanks everyone, bye.